Captain 12B back with a follow-up video, how to refill a Tornado Cartomiser. When I first got this, I knew there had to be a way to refill this. Another YouTube member sent me a link to a place that gives you step-by-step directions on doing just that, and that's what we're going to do now. Very simple. I had envisioned tearing this whole thing apart, but it's not that hard. First, the end cap comes off just like on a regular 510 cart. So you take a safety pin and remove the end cap and set it aside. Secondly, there's an inner cap, again just like on a 510 cart. Remove the inner cap. With those two removed, you will now see a center hole. That center hole initially comes from the factory with a plastic cover over it. You have to break that center hole, and you can do that with the safety pin. Now it's ready to be refilled. The bad side of this whole thing is that it's going to require a syringe and a needle. Using needles, this kind you would get off of an ambulance, is a very dangerous idea when messing with nicotine. If you take this needle and you put nicotine in it, you have the potential of injecting yourself, and that's not a good thing. You take the needle out, it leaves you with a catheter. The catheter is soft plastic, it's not sharp, it will not penetrate your skin, and it's a much safer way to use syringes and refilling nicotine into cartomisers. Take a syringe, put your catheter on. Here we have tobacco Americana. We're going to draw up a milliliter of that. We're going to take our cartomiser, put that plastic catheter right in that hole, and inject the milliliter of tobacco Americana right into the center hole. You'll see that there's no leakage. It didn't flood over. It went nicely into the hole. You put back in your inner cap and set it down in there. Your outer cap, and that's it. It's ready to go. Now, initially, these cartos come with 2.5 milliliters of juice. They suggest that when you refill it, you never do it with more than 1.8 milliliters of juice, or you risk the potential of flooding, spillage. So you want to keep it at 1.8 on the refill. Let's give it a go. There you go, a refilled cartomiser.